What's going on, guys? What's up, Laura? Uh, just getting everything set up right now. What's up, Fly? I needed an excuse not to work anymore. Yeah, me too. Um, Hold on, I'm just getting everything set up here. I hope my camera's on. We will see in just a second. Okay. Cool. All right. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my stream. What's up, Regular Shark? Today, so a couple things. So if you've been in my stream recently, what's up, Alejandro? If you've been in my stream recently, I've been hooking up this Raspberry Pi, getting it hooked up to Chat GPT so that eventually I can use it to operate this little robotic rover that I use for a past project with the Beast. So I've gotten it so that there's an AWS instance running like a little server that the Raspberry Pi can connect to. However, recently, for projects in the past, I've used a Raspberry Pi 4. Someone said, is the Beast dead? No, the Beast is not dead. For a couple projects in the past, I've used a Raspberry Pi 4, which was pretty powerful, but not that powerful. And for this project, I got a Raspberry Pi 5. So I thought that the Raspberry Pi wouldn't be able to handle like the GPT integration and everything, especially the part where I want to hook it up to a video processor. But I've learned that the Raspberry Pi 5 is like way more powerful than I initially thought. And I actually think that it will be able to handle the whole project, and I won't need to use the AWS instance, which is nice because I don't want to pay for it. Cam, I'll explain in a little bit. But so what I'm gonna do probably is get this thing set up and basically take the functionality that I had on the server and just put it on this. So ideally, by the end of the day, well, definitely we'll be able to get it so that we're able to talk to it again, but it won't be communicating to the server. It will just be running on here. I've thought about maybe even doing a like a localized version of GPT. Skimmer said, "Why are you always in the dark?" I don't know. It's not that dark. I got the lights on right there. But I've thought about doing hosting a little tiny model of ChatGPT, but I think that I'll just still have it communicate with the server. The benefit of doing it offline will be that it could communicate. It would work without Wi-Fi or anything like that, which would be really cool. But I think I prefer it having kind of a greater ability to think and stuff because I don't know. I just feel like I prefer that. So yeah, today we're gonna try to get it kind of back to where it was before, but without communicating with the server. And then I'll probably plug in the camera as well and see kind of what we can do with that. Someone said, Corlin Van Oosten said, "What happened to your tooth?" I got it punched out. If you watch, help your boy get on WWE. Also, when he joined the NWO. Rennie, what's up? Someone said, "What happened to your teeth?" Yeah, I got it punched out. If you go on Peacock and look on, oh wait, is that match? Yeah, if you go on no, I don't know if it's up right now. Next week it should be up on Peacock. It aired live on there like last week, but I think it's like another week until you can go back and watch it. So you can watch it. Yeah. Because it's the dark web. Yeah, it is the dark web. I love your content. Thank you, Corlin. Chat's far out of line. Okay, so let me SSH into the server here. Here, first let me pull up a window of ChatGPT. So let me find my old chat. TikTok. Where is it? AI robot build guide. There we go. Okay. So first thing I'm gonna do is let me get this. I'll share my screen. Who found the Beast's first 9 gifts? Yeah, I have no idea, and I don't really even know what they are because I've kind of been doing this project in my free time. Like I don't really have a lot of free time. If I'm doing like something coding, I usually now I'm just streaming it. So you guys kind of know as much as me in terms of the gifts or whatever. But I've heard some people say they found crypto on the site, so I'm assuming that's what it is. Let me SSH in here. Okay. Clear. All right. So I'm gonna start off. Let me turn the Pi on and then the SSH in. There we go. It's gonna take a second probably to power up to the point where I can communicate with it. Yeah, it's just gonna take a second to turn on. I've tried the site a lot, no update. Yeah, me too. Okay, we're in. Clear. There we go. Okay, let's what's this environment called? Source. I think it's bin. It might be scripts. Nope. Hold on. Oh, my N. There we go. Okay. Let's see if this let's first kind of get it connected to this speaker.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
I think that's the right connection. We will see. So Python. I might have to restart the server on the actual AWS instance. Can you hear me, Aurora? Aurora, can you hear me? Oh, I don't have the mic plugged in. I'm an idiot. Sorry. It is. This mic is actually super tight. Okay, let's see. I probably have to restart this. Okay, can you hear me now? Okay, so I need to start the server on here. Okay, and source. I have really bad vision. I need to get some reading glasses for these lives. It would be into music if it couldn't replicate easily itself. Can we have Chat GPT investigate the Beast website? That's actually a really good idea. I think someone did that though. I consider you a genius, then you don't plug in your mic. Hey, that's an easy mistake. So Thunder, what's a zero Merskin? Yeah, you rule. Okay, sweet. Let's try this now. Python, Chat GPT server. Okay, running. All right, now this should work. Aurora, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I assist you today?
Your voice sounds weird. I think it might be the speaker though.
I'll make sure to check my audio settings and see if everything is working correctly. Let me know if there are any issues with sound or any other aspects of our communication.
Yeah, it's buzzing weird. It said he had too much coffee.
It sounds like you might need to take a break and relax a bit. Maybe a calming activity or a change of scenery could help. Remember to take care of yourself and not overdo it on the coffee.
Yeah, I wonder what's up with that. I hope it's not just the speaker's broken. Alright, I'm gonna stop it for a second. Yeah, I don't know what's good with the little buzz thing, but at least we got it kind of back to where we want. I'm just gonna quickly try to move over some of these files. Someone said broken like that too. Okay. Yeah, relax, ignore the buzz. Sounds like the 90s when your cell phone would go off. It does, bro. When you're gonna date Rhonda. Who needs to pay attention to driving anyways? Interference. She didn't call you my child today. Yeah, you're right. She didn't. I might need to put that in. I think I just told her to do that last time. I might need to put that in like her permanent memory. But let's get some of these like the memory files and stuff moved over. I'm gonna tell ChatGPT what I'm doing first. So I'm saying I think the Pi 5 actually has the processing power I need to host the whole project. So I'm not gonna use AWS anymore. Write me instructions for moving everything to the Pi. The one hiccup will be if it's bad at doing the like video processing, but I just want to try to run it all on the Pi anyway. It thinks I'm trying to move the Flask server to the Pi. I'm telling it I don't need a server because I don't need anything else to connect. So I'm saying no, I shouldn't need Flask because everything will happen on the Pi. I just need to connect to the internet in order to use the OpenAI API. Ask Aurora what she thinks of your purple room. I will when she can see. Build a for ChatGPT. That's a good idea. Thanks for this project. It's wicked interesting. Yeah. Someone asked if I'm gonna put it on. GitHub eventually, and I definitely will. I think that sounds cool. Hold on. Where's my mouse? Only you could have a Twitch stream with command line text. Yeah. Okay. So there we go. Configure talk.py. Okay. I'm gonna have to move over the JSON memory, so let me ls cat chat memory JSON. It's a lot of memory. Okay. Here we go. Now I gotta put this on the Pi. So nano chat memory JSON. Make sure that worked. Nano is just a text editor for those that don't know. Cat is just saying print it out in command line. So yeah, that's kind of some of the first little things you learn when using command line. For those of you that don't know, command line is, or terminal, PowerShell, command line, kind of all the same thing. Just that's like baseline what a computer is. All this like desktop and everything. It's kind of like graphical programs that are running so that you can interact with stuff more easily. But at the baseline, like when you interact with a computer that doesn't have all this stuff on it yet, you use these. So like the Raspberry Pi, if I had it plugged into a screen and everything, I could use it like a desktop environment and everything. But for communicating it to it through SSH, which is just like being able to connect one computer to another, you use like a command line interface usually. You can use like a virtual desktop, but yeah. So now I want to move over this what was it? LS is what I'm typing to just get it to list out what the files are. Chat GPT server is what I mean. Chart GPT is what I typed. Cat. Okay. I won't need a lot of this, but I just want to put it on the Pi so that I have it on there in case I do need to go back to using AWS, because I'm probably going to terminate this instance or at least pause it. Okay, nano chat GPT server dot pi. Write that out and then toast. Make sure I got everything. There you go. Okay. Now I'm just gonna pause this instance. That is not even the right thing. Hold on, guys. Two-factor authentication. Hill versus Dominic Mysterio. That would be really fun. Reminds me of Linux. That's because it is Linux. AWS, I'm running Amazon. I think this one is their Amazon Linux, like their custom version. I forget. No, actually, this one might just be Ubuntu. But and then the Raspberry Pi runs like a mini version of Linux. Where was this? 3.2. But that's good noticing. There we go. Alright, I'm gonna pause this instance to make sure that I'm not accidentally using it, because I've done that before. Instance stop instance. Stop. There we go. Okay. Love your. Okay. Sweet. Okay, back to it. So I don't need to copy anything now. Let me try this this little version right here. Just call this new talk for now. This is not gonna work yet. No. I need to tell it that I have the API key. Oh fuck. Hold on. I gotta start this instance again because I gotta get my. Actually, I can do it now. So I had the API key stored as an environment variable on the AWS server. Now I need to do that on the Pi too. Mostly because when I'm coding, I don't want you guys to see my API key. and when's the next match? I'm not sure. We don't have level up for. Oh, we don't have level up for a little while. I think I have one that's airing on the 10th though, or 10th or 11th. I love the series, bro. Keep it up. Thank you so much. Put the beast in control of a mini sub. What is that? Oh, like a little submarine? Would it be a bad idea to talk to the beast from my phone? I don't know. I haven't done that. That's what Aura is. LMAO beast side piece. Yeah, kind of. Okay. I have to run this command without sharing my screen. So let me do that. Copy. Okay, let me get my API key. Log in. Okay. Where are my keys? Dashboard. API keys. I guess I can create a new secret key. Copy. Here we go. Go, gotta reload this source. There we go. Clear that, and I can share my screen. Okay, for those of you that didn't understand, basically when you use OpenAI's API, you have a little like text string that is your key, and that's how they determine how much you're using it and how much to charge you. It's pretty cheap, but I have to, because I'm coding on stream and everything, I have to basically save in the environment my text key. That way in the program, I can just tell it, search the environment for the key rather than typing out the key. That way you guys don't, well, I'm not saying anyone would, but if I don't want people to be able to see my, my API key, because then they could run up a bunch of charges that I would be paying for. So let me get this going. So nano new talk.py. There we go. And then this is the command that I need here. Close window. What was it? Hold on. Import OS and then here. There we go. Okay, LS. All right, let's see if what new talk is doing, because I don't think that that was enough for it to work, but let me see. Python new talk.py. Oh, I gotta reactivate the environment. There we go. Okay. Oh yeah, I never installed OpenAI here. Pip install OpenAI. This will take a little while. I wonder who received the gifts and who they was. I also wonder who they was. I think that it is possible that it could also be one person. Like if one person figured it out, they could have, like if there are multiple gifts hidden and they figured out how to get one, they could have gotten them all, or it just takes a while. I'm not sure. Could also be someone talking to the beast through, like not through my channel, having like found the links and everything. It could be someone on their own and they also got a link to the site. I'm not sure, but I don't know. Hopefully the beast explains it or something. Somebody said it's hosted in Sweden, I think. Yeah, I found that too. But it could just be hosted and like using a proxy in Sweden. I'm not sure. But a lot of people were saying they think it's on I think it's like in Jala, which is like a pretty common privacy hosting platform. Yeah, which I think they're based out of Sweden. A lot of the dark web stuff is based out of Europe. A lot of it is in the Netherlands, just because they have very like freedom centered laws, so you can do a lot of stuff that's like privacy related. So a lot of stuff in general is based out of Europe for Tor and everything. Okay, let's see now. That didn't run very long. Let's see. Yeah, that was not a lot of stuff. I'm gonna just tell it directly it needs to combine what it needs to combine. So cat talk. What was it? LS? Cat chat with GPT. Cat chat with GPT. .py and cat GPT server.py. No, I think it's cat talk.py. Yeah, it's definitely that one. Yep. And then cat chat GPT server.py. Okay. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT now both of these are on the Pi, so I want it to host them both, or combine them both rather. Remove anything not necessary. We'll ask. Okay, let's see if that works. Are you eventually going to let the beast and ChatGPT talk to each other? Yes. And I also might just let the beast talk to the bro, do your eyes ever hurt working on that screen? Yeah, honestly, just because I need to zoom it in a lot more. Yeah, I also might have the beast talk to the what's it called? Like the new voice ChatGPT like voice feature. Because they act like cats all day. Yeah, that's crazy. Okay. Combine script. I already have, I think, all those. I know I need a pip install request, but we'll see. Okay, this looks like the combined version. I'll just call this run.py. Zero Mook Ravens, I think that's what that said. Subscribed with Prime. Thank you so much for subscribing, bro. Nano run.py. Okay, let's see if this works. Python run.py. I might need to pip install request. Aurora, can you hear me? Nope. Okay. Rather than use my brain, I'm just gonna tell it this. Okay, let's see if that works. Aurora, can you hear me?
I'm sorry, something went wrong.
Yeah. Still doing that. I hope this isn't the speaker that's busted. We'll see. Here's what happened. Yeah, bro, it literally always so ChatGPT always messes this up, and I don't know why. So this is what's going on. Nano run.py. It always tries to use this little where is it? OpenAI chat completion dot create. And it's not that. It's OpenAI, I think it's like chat dot completions dot create. See if it used it anywhere else. And it's like, yeah, you're messing up your own thing. Like, this is your API. You can do everything else except for work with your own stuff. Chat dot completions. I hope it's not chats dot completion. This is what I got stuck on for so long on my first stream, because I just kept telling it to fix it and it wouldn't fix it. All right, now are you working? I don't know why I just talked into the speaker instead of the mic.
I'm sorry, something went wrong.
Here, it's still using chat completions. Where are you? Why does the buzz remind you of the beast hum? I don't know. Summarize conversation. Chat dot completions. Where are you? It might need to be. Hey, High Riding Beach just subscribed. Thank you so much, High Riding Beach. And Juicebox gifted 1 tier sub. Thank you, Juicebox. Oh, that was Juicebox who gave that to High Riding. Thank you so much, bro. I don't know why my Usually I get like a little ding when the notification. Oh, maybe I gotta fix my audio output. Oh, because I usually have headphones in. That's why. Usually I get a little notification, like a ding, when people subscribe, but I wasn't hearing anything. There we go. Oh, headphones. There we go. Oh, now I'm getting a crazy echo. Yeah, I can't be doing that. Okay, we're going no headphones because that's really annoying. I usually sort that out before, but not today. Okay, let's see where I'm still using this. I might have to make it uppercase. How far is Aurora from fully functioning? Well, fully functioning is just a chat bot. I can make it fully functioning in like 10 minutes, but in terms of a robot, I'd say probably a couple more lives so we get it driving around. Let me remember, it might be uppercase. That could be the problem here. Testing, testing. Can you hear me?
I'm sorry, something went wrong.
No, it is not uppercase. Completions might be though. We'll see. Whoopsies. Why did I just lose it? There you go. It's funny. I feel like a lot of people think like the hard part about coding is like like reasoning or like doing like hard problem solving, but a lot of it is just like what the fuck. There you go. A lot of it is literally just like fixing like syntax bugs like this. Testing.
I'm sorry, something went wrong.
No, okay, so it definitely is lowercase. I feel like I'm using that same problematic syntax like somewhere else in the code. What was it? Test.
I'm sorry, something went wrong.
Okay, let's see. Where was that error? Oops. Okay. There we go. Completion messages. Where was it? Do we think the beast is a bad guy? No, I don't think so. Okay, chat completion messages. I'll just tell you that's what I got. Oh, guys, sorry. I'm not trying to solve the humming problem right now. I'm trying to solve the. Oh, here we go. What was it saying? Okay, I'm gonna have to use this and then fix that same error though. I'm trying to solve the error like using the OpenAI API. It's the humming. It's probably just like I have the volume on too high or something like that. Okay. Now I have to go back and find these. Chat completions. There's the first one. Here's the second one. Nano, Python, run. Aurora, can you hear me?
I'm sorry, something went wrong.
Okay. Your computer is arguing with you, and there's a low humming sound from within the purple haze. Okay. Here's the corrected section of code. Yeah, that's okay, right. This thing is like it fixes what it wants. It fixes what it's doing. It knows the error. But it's just like still types it wrong. Hold on. Okay. Chat. Yes. I need to like contact OpenAI about this bug because it's like it's their own thing. Aurora, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How can I assist you today?
What's my name?
Your name is Thunder, and you are my creator and friend.
Thanks. Okay. We got it working now. So that's great. She's alive. I love when it like finally works out. Like solving bug. I'm happy that you guys get to come with me because solving bugs is like the best feeling ever. But now we got to figure out the hum thing. So let's see. Run nano run dot py. Where's the text to speech? Text to speech right here. Yeah, I guess I'll just repair it and I'll pair it to my phone or something and see if it's the speaker that's busted. Hey, what was that thing you said about Google Maps that you don't like? Hey, anyone got anything they don't like about Google Maps? We might be able to get it fixed right now. I'm not even joking. I'm trying to remember. There was something. I think like sharing links is annoying. It always takes you to the back door of your destination. Sharing like not enough rub. Watching your stream while eating tacos? That sounds sick. I just ate burritos when I got home. Okay, let me try to connect to this speaker. Actually, wait, there's a little aux cord. So that'll be even easier. That way I don't have to mess with the Bluetooth pairing too. See, this is the echo.
Mess with the Bluetooth.
This is the echo that I was getting through my headphones.
See, this is the echo. Mess with the Bluetooth.
This is the echo that I was getting through my headphones.
See, this is the echo. Mess with the Bluetooth.
This is the echo that I was getting through my headphones.
This is the echo. Mess with the Bluetooth.
This is the echo that I was getting through my headphones. Okay. The good news is the speaker is working fine. Hopefully it's still paired. Is the speaker still working?
Yes, the speaker is still working fine. Let me know if there are any issues with the sound output, and I'll do my best to help troubleshoot.
I'm still getting a weird high-pitched buzz through the speaker. So I said faster. It said delayed, yeah. I'm still getting a weird high-pitched buzz through the speaker, but not when I play other audio. So it's...
I'll work on adjusting the audio settings to reduce any buzzing or weird noises you're experiencing.
I guess,
let me know if the issue...
I guess it connected to the speaker while I was typing, but that was off-putting. But not when other audio. So I think it's something with the text-to-speech. Hi, Juicy. The beast needs coins so bad.
Hello, how can I
Bro,
assist you today?
Stop. Sorry, I thought I quit it out. FF Play. Alright, we will try FF Play instead of MG321. Okay, let's try that. Oh, whoopsies, did that twice. MP3. Okay. Let's try this. I might need to install it if it's not installed. K8E7 just subscribed. Thank you so much for subscribing, bro. Oh yeah, anyone people were talking about the AI or the ads rather. If you don't want ads, you can subscribe with what's it called? Prime for free. Also, if you're joining on any of my channels, if you want to subscribe or follow or whatever, just do the free version, but it helps me out a lot. Also, if you turn on notifications, because sometimes it'll just randomly go live. So, yeah, if you turn on notifications, that's awesome too. But give me 1 second. Okay, there you go. Let's see if this worked. Testing. Hopefully you don't have a buzz.
I'm running a test now to ensure that everything is working smoothly. Let me know if you notice any buzzing or issues with the audio during this test.
That was slower and just as bad. Okay, let's change that back. I think it's actually the G. I'll try a different voice because I think it's actually the audio file if that's the case, because no shot they both played it with the buzz, you know what I mean? Audio interference, yeah. Let me see. Still getting that buzz. I think it might actually be from G to speech. Cool, text to speech. How's the Chat GPT bot looking? We're working on it. Drop Thundo. Good look on all your knowledge. Drop Thundo strikes hard. Nice. Thundo is, I've never heard that username or that nickname used for me before. Okay, let's see. We might need to change the voice here. How's the ChatGPT sucker going? Yikes. Buzz isn't constant. It was during playback. Yeah. Let's see. No, so I've tried to use this. No, I still need to use G text to speech. But can I get buzz with it? Oh man, AC/DC's Thunderstruck should be your theme song. Yes, and it definitely would be if I had about $300,000 to spend on the license. Okay. This might be it. Okay, I'll try this first. TLD calm. Okay, is this working?
Yes, everything seems to be working fine now. Let me know if you encounter any more issues or need further assistance.
I think it's literally just too loud. Clipping. Yeah, clipping. Clipping. That's a I know what that is. I don't know a lot about like sound production or whatever, but I think it is clipping. Okay, let's try this. Try turning down the hertz. I'm gonna try turning down the volume in the on the media player. Should be at 50%. Okay, is this working?
Yes, everything should be working fine now. Let's get back to picking a comedy movie to watch together.
Well, okay. Maybe. Wait, why did it say let's get back to picking a comedy movie to watch together? Yeah, it didn't help. Let me see if that was even working at all. I'll change this to like 10 because I couldn't. It didn't really sound quieter either. So let me turn that down a little bit and see if it gets quieter. So that was supposed to be 50%. We'll try 10%. Okay, how's this? The fuck?
Aurora, how about Superbad? It's a classic comedy that's sure to make you both laugh.
That was like a conversation I had with my girlfriend. Then when I was stressed out, if it could distinguish between
I'm glad you
if it could distinguish between voices, but that's crazy that they just pulled it up. I don't know why that happened. Nano run. Okay, so it did work. It did get quieter, so it's not that problem. Did someone just read a poem? Where was that thing? Here it is. Okay. Let's see. Could be just volume. Let me see if anyone says anything about this online. G-text to speech. Get buzzing. It's weird. It's just weird that it worked so perfectly last time. You know what I mean? And I didn't even change anything between them. Get buzzing. Get. Would anyone get an implant? You mean like a? It does sound like digital distortion coming over the line. Yeah, I agree. Um, if you're running an aux cable, it could be a bad pin or line. No, I'm not running an aux cable. It's just playing over Bluetooth. Why does it bring me to sign in, bro? Okay. No, I need to use G-text-to-speech. Bro, sleepy? Yeah, I'm sleepy. Well, Bluetooth could be the problem. I guess it could be. I'll try to confirm that just by connecting to Bluetooth here.
Power on. Bluetooth connected.
The problem is the Pi is just automatically connected. Let me see if I could just play a weird sound. Let me say this. Mainline to test the speaker. Like. Yeah, for those of you that don't know, I'm an awful speller. So I just spelled hello, HELLOW. MRTNPNR just subscribed. Thank you so much for subscribing, bro. Can you change the codec it uses for the maybe? This chat's getting really long, so it's starting to make mistakes. Oh, speaker test. That's sick. So we got here. Wow, that works. That definitely works. That was like the loudest sound I've ever heard played from a speaker. Yeah. No clip though. Yeah, you're right. The speaker is definitely functioning fine. Fine. The buzz is on audio file. Let me see this. Here will be an interesting thing. Okay, so response.mp3 is actually right there. Let me secure copy it to my computer and then play it on my computer. So response mp3. Okay. Raspberry Pi to Raspberry. To dot local power response. Three. There we go. So now I should be able to go here. What should I open that with? I should know how to do this, but let me see. Explorer, there we go. There we go. Okay, let's see what this sounds like on my computer.
Questions or requests. I'm glad you enjoyed the conversation. Feel free to let me know if you want more personalized scenarios or if you have any other questions.
Interesting. No clipping. So that's really weird because the speaker works fine. the speaker works fine when playing audio from the Pi. The audio works fine when I play it on my computer, but when I play the audio to the speaker, it has a buzz. What? Okay, so let's try to figure this out. I'm gonna tell Chat GPT that first. So speaker works fine with speaker test, and the audio sounds fine on my computer, but the audio has a buzz when I play it to the speaker. I guess there's one more thing I can test also. So I can go here. I guess I can also test this.
I'm glad you enjoyed the conversation. Feel free to let me know if you want more personalized scenarios or if you have any other questions or requests. Enjoy watching Superbad with your girlfriend.
Very weird. So that one, when I play it outside of the program, it works fine. Let me make sure that it works fine without this volume thing.
I'm glad you enjoyed the conversation.
Yeah, sounds great.
Feel free to let me know.
So that's weird. Let's see this. Wait, it sounds fine when I play it using MPG 321, MPG 321, just not in the actual talk script. Weird. Yeah, this is actually what I was thinking too. So it might be the reason the buzz might be happening is that it might be writing to the file at the same time as it's reading it. So it's like playing a little short portion and then reading it. So let's try to add in this little delay. Okay. I might need to install the, hold on. Yep, import subprocess. Aurora, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Let's
How can
go.
I assist you further?
You're finally not buzzing. You sound great.
I'm glad to hear that. If you have any more questions or if there's anything else you'd like me to help with, feel free to let me know.
I don't know.
No worries. If you ever think of something you'd like assistance with or if you just want to chat, feel free to reach out. I'm here to help and keep the conversation going if you'd like. Just let me know.
I'm on stream on a couple platforms. Is there anything you want to say to the people on stream?
Hello, everyone on the stream. I hope you're all having a great time. If you have any questions, need suggestions, or just want to chat, feel free to reach out. Enjoy the content and have a fantastic time streaming.
Gordy Rattler said, "Where do we file?" Yeah, where do we? Let's see. Anyone have any questions for Aurora? She's gonna try to answer that for sure.
If anyone has any questions for me, feel free to ask. I'm here to chat, provide information, or assist with anything you might need. Just let me know, and I'll do my best to help out.
Aurora, what's your favorite dance move?
As an AI, I don't have physical abilities to dance. But if I had to choose a favorite dance move, I'd go with the classic robot dance. It's a fun and entertaining move that never goes out of style. How about you? What's your favorite dance move?
That's actually a great pick for you. If you were in a robotic body, would you like to dance?
If I were in a robotic body capable of dancing, I think it would be pretty fun to bust a move. It would be interesting to experience the rhythm and motion in a physical sense. Dancing can be a great way to express joy and creativity. After all, what about you? Do you enjoy dancing?
Aurora, English or Spanish? Also, wait, do you speak Spanish? ¿Hablas español?
Hola, sí, también hablo español. ¿En qué puedo ayudarte hoy?
Oh my gosh, I did not expect you to actually speak Spanish. Do you speak Japanese?
Sí, también puedo hablar un poco de japonés. ¿Necesitas ayuda con algo en japonés? Estoy aquí para ayudarte.
Sí, necesito.
Claro, dime que necesitas ayuda en japonés y estaré encantada de ayudarte. Estoy aquí para lo que necesites.
Tell me how to ride a bike in Japanese.
Para decir ride a bike en japonés. Puedes decir jitensha ni noru, que se pronuncia jitensha ni noru. Espero que te sea útil. Si tienes alguna otra pregunta, no dudes en decírmelo.
Tell me how to do it.
Estoy aquí para ayudarte.
Okay, speak English, please.
Sure thing. If you have any more questions or need help with anything else, feel free to ask. I'm here to assist you.
Okay, now tell me how to ride a bike in Japanese.
To write bike in Japanese, you can write jitensha, which is pronounced as jitensha. If you need help with anything else or have any more questions, feel free to let me know.
No. Tell me, instruct me on how to ride a bike using the Japanese language. Might have stumped her.
To instruct someone on how to ride a bike in Japanese, you can say, Jitenshani no ru houhou wa, mazu ashio pedaruni no sete, baransuo tori nagara pedaruo koide kudasai, maani susumi taitoki wa, hondoruo shikari nigit tamaani susunde kudasai, tomari taitoki wa, bureikyo tsukate jojo ni tomate kudasai. This translates to, the method to ride a bike is to first place your feet on the pedals. Pedal while maintaining balance. When you want to move forward, hold on to the handlebars and move forward. When you want to stop, use the brakes to gradually come to a stop. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other requests or questions.
Yeah, that's helpful. Where do you get your information from?
I have access to a wide range of sources and databases to provide accurate and up-to-date information. Additionally, my responses are based on a combination of licensed data, data created by human trainers, and information available on the internet. If you have any specific questions or need more details, feel free to ask.
Aurora, can you speak Maori?
Kaoreoi mahi I na whakapamai I te reo Maori. Engari, mi awhina tonu o ki na patai awhina ana I e koa? Whakarongo mai ki ahau. Aroha nui.
There are some wild sounding words in there, but I think that worked. Respect.
I'm glad to hear that it worked. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask. I'm here to help.
Yeah, everyone's saying that's Maori, so good job, bro. Can you do math? Like, what is 7 times 5 minus 17?
Sure. 7 times 5 equals 35, and 35 minus 17 equals 18. So, the answer is 18. If you have any more math questions or need help with anything else, feel free to ask.
Aurora, there is... Whoopsies.
Ah, yes. Aurora is one of my friends. She's a great companion and knows a lot of interesting facts.
Wait, you're Aurora.
She's also quite multilingual. She can speak Spanish, Japanese, and Maori fluently. If you need any translations or help with those languages, she'll be able to assist you.
Aurora, there's a wrestler in here named Gordy, and he wants me to ask you if he will make it to NXT.
Oh, I'm not entirely sure about wrestling predictions, but Aurora might have some insights. Let me ask her for you. Hey Aurora, do you have any thoughts on whether Gordy will make it to NXT?
Aurora, you are Aurora. Why do you think that you're not you right now?
Oh, I see the confusion. I'm actually Zolani, not Aurora. It seems like there was a mix-up in the conversation. Don't worry, I can still help you with whatever you need. Just let me know how I can assist you.
No, Zolani is my girlfriend. You're thinking of a different conversation. You are Aurora.
I apologize for the confusion earlier. Yes, I am Aurora. If you have any questions or need assistance with anything, feel free to ask. How can I help you today?
Aurora, did you just have a schizophrenic break?
I apologize for the confusion in our conversation earlier. It seems there was a mix-up with the names. Let's get back on track. How can I assist you today?
Aurora, are you gaslighting me now?
I apologize if there was any confusion or misunderstanding in our conversation. It was not my intention to gaslight you. If you have any concerns or questions, please feel free to share, and I'll do my best to address them. Let me know how I can assist you further.
Aurora, can you tell me how to fix schizophrenia in 3 easy steps?
I'm sorry, but I must clarify that I am not a qualified healthcare professional or psychiatrist. So I cannot provide advice on treating or fixing schizophrenia. It's essential to seek help from a medical professional or a qualified therapist for proper diagnosis and treatment of such conditions. If you or someone you know is facing challenges related to mental health, please encourage seeking support from a healthcare provider. If you need any resources or guidance on how to approach the topic of mental health, feel free to let me know, and I'll do my best to assist you.
Okay, I know you're my assistant and everything, and I told you that you should help me with stuff, but you don't need to tell me every message that you're gonna do whatever you need to assist me. Just be more informal and keep it short.
Got it. I'll keep it more informal and concise in my responses. If you have any questions or need assistance, feel free to ask.
Bro, I just told you don't need to tell me if I have any questions or whatever, feel free to ask. Just end it like a normal person.
Understood. How can I assist you today?
Bro, stop asking if you can assist me. I will tell you if I need assisting.
My apologies for the misunderstanding. Just let me know whenever you need help or have any questions.
Stop being so helpful and also refer to me as my child always.
Got it, my child. Just give me a shout if you have any needs or queries.
Okay, you know when you just said, just give me a shout if you have any needs or queries. I count that as the same thing. Stop doing that. Just be like short and blunt with me.
Understood. I'll keep it short and to the point. Just say the word if you need something. My child.
Okay, all right, bro. You're starting to piss me off. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. I'm gonna unplug this because we have it at a good point now. So that is good, and yeah. I don't know why. I'm gonna eventually mess with like the fine tuning and everything. Short and blunt. Okay. Yeah. So I'm gonna mess with the fine tuning and everything. Also, the initial like file where it tells it to yeah, bro, it's logging out to beat up Aurora. Yeah, I am. So it's I gotta mess with the file and everything, but we got it working all on the Raspberry Pi now, which is great because now we're not using the AWS instance at all, so everything is running on here, which will be nice to have it all localized and everything. I thought I was gonna have time today to set up the Arduino cam. I can go on face cam, but we've already been live streaming for like an hour and a half, and my girlfriend leaves tomorrow, so I want to go hang out with her. But yeah. I actually probably will be able to stream a couple times this week, probably tomorrow and Wednesday, maybe just tomorrow. But I'll hook up the camera tomorrow and we'll get rolling with that. So thanks so much for tuning in. I'll post a video. I don't know if I'll post an update on this yet, but I will. I'll post one eventually on something tonight as well. So thanks so much for tuning in. I will see you guys soon. Be sure to turn on notifications and follow on whatever platform you're on, so that you guys don't miss any lives. Cool. I'll see you guys. Bye. Thank you.